ensure your fence is always in top working condition. Introducing the Lydite 04 series, Electric Fence Safety Guardian. 6 products in total, each designed for professionals. We use high-quality ABS material, sturdy and durable, warranty-proof in cold weather, waterproof and drop-resistant. The MLD-004 series boasts an ultra-wide measurement range of 200 volts to 15,000 volts, accurately measuring anything from multi-strand cables, ropes, tape, and metal conductors. High-definition LCD screen. Readings are clear at a glance. Just insert a 6F 229V battery. Easy to start working. A timeless classic. Affordable price. Upgraded model features a more ergonomic design. Easy to hold. Daytime use. Clear screen and energy efficient. Nighttime use. The screen backlight allows for easy reading even in the dark. It's easy to use. Simply insert the grounding rod into the ground. Then touch the voltage probe to the fence line. The screen immediately displays the current voltage. The Lydite 04 series offers a wide range of models. Easy to operate. Helps you monitor the status of your fence at all times.